So, I finally thought of making a video explaining my drawing experiences. Also, because some of you has asked for it. In this video, I'll be explaining the process of how I draw landscape illustrations. The program I'm using is Krita, and yes, I switched from Medivang to Krita because I lost my old version app, and when I reinstalled it was new version app, which means I lost my favorite brushes. So in rage I moved to Krita. Anyways, let's get started. So step 1, open reference beside canvas. Using reference widens our imagination because when we are beginners, we actually don't know how everything looks in detail. That's why using a reference is a must for beginners. And I'm using this image as reference for this artwork. Step 2, understanding from values and reference. I mean, look at this image. The mountains which are farthest from view are kind of mixing with the sky and have lighter values, while this mountainside has darker values which is closer to our view. So copy it from reference, draw the farthest mountain lightest and closest darkest according with background, of course. Step 3, colors. To be honest, coloring is still a mystery to me. I I just go with the flow, but you can use color palette of reference to color, create a new layer upon that black and white kind of rough illustration and set it to hard light and then color. Step 4, rendering. So, yep, rendering is my most favorite part in drawing because in this step the illustration starts to shape like final illustration. I use right click of mouse as color picker because it's easy and fast, and also because colors are chosen so I don't have to go to the color wheel to choose the colors every time. Right click of mouse is default color picker in Medivang. You have to set it in Krita. For that, go to configure Krita in settings, then canvas input settings, then click alternative invocation, then choose mouse button which have action of sample foreground color for merged image. Double click on input to change it, click on mouse button, then the option of input comes. Click with the key which you want as shortcut of color picker and done. Now enjoy rendering. So that's it. Hope you like this video. I tried to make it more engaging by adding my voice and some of animation. Of course, it took a lot of time, but if this video helped you even a little, then it's worth it. Bye.